2019 is over. Well, another year has passed. And 2019 was a great year between my real estate and filmmaking career. A lot has happened, a lot has changed, and overall, it's been a pretty exciting year. Thanks to my family and friends, I've filmed so many different events, and I've learned so much from all the opportunities that were given to me. Well, I'm ready for 2020. And I'm going to do it all over again.
My favorite realtor is ENZO because he puts up with my crazy.
So moving forward to 2020, I will be posting most of my real estate stuff on my other channel, Modern Day Touch, but I will try to keep this channel strictly for tutorials and filmmaking.